Alright, my 1998 Ford Ranger here. Four-wheel drive, 3.0 manual transmission. So I'm just working my way down this line here. I just kind of track back and forth. Got my welder setting at, I think it's at A and 1. A for voltage and 1 for wire speed. And like I said, just cutting. I cut behind the panel, the old panel. Now I'm just butting it in, butt welding it in. I'm just walking down the line. I found that if I can get the seams nice and tight, obviously less weld deposit and a tighter weld. I'll just kind of go back and forth. Here I had a big, right here I have a big gap, so I'm just tracking back and forth here. Join the two pieces of weld together, or one big weld puddle. And I'll take this brush. Again, all this is going to be grinded down. Anyway, I got to make some adjustments to this. My wire loom here, I think, and my welder. But the titanium 125 easy flux welder, I haven't had no issues with it. I'm using Vulcan .030 wire. And anyway, that's about it right there. Actually, I'll go a little bit more. I cut the seam so close, it was hard for me to... This is an auto darkening helmet I'm using. I could probably put the light in a better position, but for all intents and purposes, it's doing what it should be doing. Back and forth. Just bear with me. I'm gonna show you here. Show you here. I got to keep on going. Cut that out. So what you're wondering what I'm doing, I had cut behind this panel so well, it's got to make sure that I just don't want to leave any open gaps. flipping my helmet up and down to try to see what I'm doing here. Well, I'm glad I cut that nice and close at the real heavy duty 45-degree angle there on my angle grinder. I was able to get that seam nice and tight up in there. You can see I'm almost done with the top portion, but I'm going to take a little break right here and see what we got. So that's where I started, a little bit ways back. Sorry, I'll keep the gun there. Obviously I gotta keep on cutting behind this and all the way down. So I got a ways to go all the way over. Maybe another hour or so to get it done. But this is the welder I'm using. Titanium 125 easy flux. Get that setting there right on A and 1. Very low setting. Yep. So other than that, pretty much all I can say. This is the other side that I had been working on. Right there, all the way down, and once I get this welded in, then I'll touch it up, put some primer and paint on it, and call it a day. Alright now, well, you guys can do it. If I can do it, you guys can do it. Have yourself an able craft day.